pastry chef, how baking turns ordinary days into special moments, the gentle hum of the oven, the sweet scent of vanilla and melting chocolate filling the air, the rhythmic kneading of dough beneath your palms. These are more than just steps in a recipe. They are the quiet rituals that transform a simple afternoon into something memorable, turning an ordinary day into a celebration. For me, as a pastry chef, this transformation is the very heart of my craft. It's not just about creating delicious treats. It's about crafting moments of joy, comfort, and connection. Think about the magic that happens when you decide to bake. Perhaps it's a rainy Sunday, gray and unremarkable. You pull out the flour, sugar, and eggs, and suddenly, the kitchen becomes a sanctuary. The focus required, the precision of measuring, the anticipation of the final result, it pulls you into the present moment. The worries of the week seem to fade away, replaced by the simple, tangible task of creating. That first bite of a still warm cookie or a fluffy slice of cake is a reward not just for your taste buds, but for your soul. It's a small, sweet victory against the mundane, a declaration that even the quietest days deserve a little sparkle. Baking has a unique power to bring people together. A birthday isn't complete without a cake, its candles a beacon of shared wishes and celebration. A holiday gathering is made warmer by the presence of a freshly baked pie, its aroma evoking memories of past festivities and creating new ones. Even a simple batch of brownies, brought into the office on a Tuesday, can change the entire dynamic of the day. It becomes a reason for colleagues to gather, to pause their work, and to share a moment of simple pleasure. These edible offerings are gestures of love and care, tangible expressions of "I was thinking of you." They break down barriers and foster a sense of community, one delicious bite at a time. Moreover, the act of baking is deeply personal and creative. It connects us to generations past, using recipes handed down from grandmothers or adapting traditional techniques to our own tastes. Each baker adds their own unique touch, a little extra cinnamon, a different kind of chocolate, a decorative flourish. This process of personalization makes the final product more than just food. It becomes a story. It tells of a favorite flavor, a cherished memory, a moment of creative inspiration. When you present a homemade dessert to someone, you are sharing a piece of yourself, your time, and your affection. In my world, flour and sugar are the mediums for creating happiness. A perfectly laminated croissant isn't just layers of butter and dough. It's the centerpiece of a slow, luxurious weekend breakfast. A meticulously decorated cake isn't just sponge and frosting. It's the symbol of a milestone, a moment of collective joy that will be looked back on for years. The true art of a pastry chef and of any home baker's understanding that what we make is secondary to the feelings it evokes. We are in the business of creating edible memories, of turning the simple and ordinary into something truly special. That is the enduring, beautiful magic of baking.